Lisa. I'm a writer slash florist, and I live in Greenpoint, Brooklyn. I share this railroad apartment with my fiance, who's a musician, and I'm gonna walk you guys through my wardrobe today. As you can see, jeans and t-shirt, it's like fairly uninspiring, so I really love like pattern on pattern, so stripes on stripes. I have a pair of stripy pants that, you know, during Fashion Week you can get really crazy. Both of these are my mom's. Every time I go home I kind of raid her closet, and when I think I found everything, I'll go back the next year and I'll be like, oh, I never noticed this before. I had been seeing overalls around and I really wanted a pair, but I just thought, like, being a grown person, it would feel very strange to be wearing overalls. But I finally just kind of bit the bullet and got these because they're super comfortable, they're stretchy, and it's one of those things you can just like pull on, go out the door. I can go to the flower market in that. Working with flowers and you're on your knees and you're making arrangements and, you know, you're wrapping garland around you. There's a lot of dirt kind of around, so you look down and your clothes are totally trashed. So I recently discovered Method, and it's all plant-based, which is really nice because, as you can see, I love plants. So I'm like, oh, it's all coming full circle. My flowers and my plants and my detergent all live happily in one place.